guys, so this week I've been teaching my son about his 5 senses. And so we're going to end off the week with the sense of touch. So to go along with our lesson, we'll be doing an activity, a painting activity, leaf print.
Baby, look, hey.
Alright, so working with a 1-year-old, I do suggest that you use artificial opposed to authentic leaves for this activity because with previous activities and working with leaves, I know that it tends to get nibbled on or crumbled up. And so for this activity, I do want it to run successfully. Alright, so we have our prints. I have 2 leaves here, so I will be making 2 different prints. Therefore, that's why I have a large and a small. Alright, now, so I'm going to select the leaf that has the veins on the side, okay? You're going to apply paint to this side. You're going to press it down onto your canvas or paper and do hard compression. Make sure you get the paint from the leaf onto the canvas, okay? Alright, so with that, if I didn't tell you the items that you need to make this activity, yes. Paper or canvas, your leaves, paintbrush, and of course paint, okay? Alright, so with that, that's it. I'm going to try to get my little one to come over here and join me. But before I get to that, through any lesson, I do discuss color, size, or whatever throughout. So we do have multiple colors of paint. So this is what I do when I teach my baby his colors. He's going to learn his colors in English, Spanish, and inside. So for instance, red, rojo, red. Yellow, amarillo, yellow. Blue, azul, blue. Green, verde, green. White, blanco, white. Black, negro, black. Now let's go back to red. Whenever I say red or any of these colors in Spanish, I don't want you to think the gestures that I do represents that word in sign for Spanish. No, for the color in Spanish, no. I just do silly gestures to keep my son engaged and interested in learning Spanish. So when I say the color red, I do this. Rojo, rojo. So remember, this gesture is not the sign for red in Spanish. It's just a silly movement to keep the little one engaged. So for red, rojo, green, verde, yellow, amarillo, black, negro, and just so on like that. So I find that to work with him, his engagement, okay? I also use this technique when I was teaching in the school system as well, and it really helped the little ones learn their colors. So yeah, I give you guys my my teaching advice. Look at our activity. Look, Mommy has the red paintbrush, Tony. Look, red. You want to use the red paintbrush? Red. Rojo. Red. Okay, sit down. All right, what color do you want to use to paint your leaf? Point to it. Touch the color you want to use. Yellow, yellow, amarillo, yellow, yellow. All right, so you see that? You want to use yellow, okay? Wait, honey, you have to use your paintbrush. Yeah, Mommy, that didn't make sure. All right, so let's paint the leaf. Here you go. Hold it. I'm gonna paint the leaf. Look. Ooh. Good. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, painting. Not on your hand, yeah. He's used to painting his hand. Okay? So now we take our leaf, turn it over to the side with the veins. Here's our masterpiece he's trying to show you guys. Alright guys, so it was a challenging activity. I didn't expect it to be so difficult, but here's our masterpiece. Yay! Isn't that pretty? You like it?